In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines using Canva. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can see your page and the side panel. This puts everything you need within reach and helps you place lines exactly where they belong in your layout. To add a clean straight line, open the Elements panel on the left. Scroll to the Lines and Shapes section and click a simple line to drop it onto the canvas. You'll see handles at each end that let you change the length and a rotation handle to set the angle. Drag the ends to resize and rotate until it fits your composition. As you move it, look for Canva's smart guides that snap the line to the center or to the edges of nearby objects, keeping your design aligned and tidy. If you want the fastest method, use the keyboard. Press the L key to instantly add a default line to your design. From there, position it where you need it. Adjust the length with the end handles and set the angle with the rotation handle. Zoom in a bit for precise placement and to make sure your line sits exactly on your grid or guides. For more expressive strokes, switch to the Draw tool in the left menu. Choose from pens, pencils, or highlighters. Pick a color and set the thickness and transparency. Then click and drag to sketch a freehand line. Each stroke behaves like an object you can move or delete later. If you want a cleaner look, increase smoothing for a sketchier feel, turn smoothing down. No matter how you created the line, click it once to customize it in the top toolbar. Change the color to match your brand or palette. Adjust the weight slider to make it thinner for subtle dividers or thicker for emphasis. Open the style options to switch between solid, dashed, or dotted lines and choose rounded ends for a softer finish. You can also tweak transparency to let background elements show through. For dotted lines, a slightly heavier weight often improves visibility, especially on busy backgrounds. Use straight lines to structure sections, underline headings or build grids, and use freehand lines for highlights and hand-drawn accents. Keep your spacing consistent and rely on the snapping guides for clean alignment. That's it for drawing and customizing lines in Canva. Thanks for watching.